Hello everyone, this is Greg at Gregtronics, and I just wanted to show the basic Altium tool that I'm kind of posting on Reddit today for use. Um, so what this tool does is basically takes your hierarchy designs and makes a quick way you can spin off and revise it quickly. So it's kind of like if Altium had a um, save project as, like I know they have a save project as, but if I made a new design here, for example, I just revised this to say like a major letter change. I change this to B1. Close this. I open this new project. So you can see when you do the save as project, it basically links everything back to the A1 stuff here. I'm not sure why it's crashing, but so what you have to do then is you have to do a save as and change everything manually here. So this tool does all that linking and everything for you. So I go back and I delete that revision is created. And then I go to my path here. So I have an Altium path, and here's my Python script. So I say I want to run this. There's a little welcome message, and it says put the folder path in here. So for now, I'm doing absolute paths. I don't remember if the reference one's working out, so I put my absolute path in. It says it found version A1. So if you want to do a major, minor, or custom, a major will increment the letter, a minor will just do the number, and a custom will be whatever you want to specify it as. So in this case, let's say I want to do a major revision. Hit the button, it says, okay, I'm going to do B1. Here's all the files I found. Here's the path. See, I copied everything over and I updated the hierarchy. So now if I go back to my project folder, so basically where this project started, where the A1 was, it created a B1 now. And the B1 has all files copied over. And if I open it, you can see that everything's renamed as B1, and these are not links now. These are copied over. This one is a hierarchy design, so it has a sheet built into it. And if I compile this, you can see the sheet links all change with the two. So in the other design, when you do a project save as, usually you'll have to go into here and change your file name link here to all your different sheets. So I mean, it's not a huge time save, but it is nice that it copies everything over. And I'm working on the, I believe it does the libraries and everything by reference too, but I'll have to double check that. So that's so yeah, that's a quick walkthrough on how to use the tool, and I hope you get some good use out of it. Thanks.